Hi students, today in our class we are going to refer our revised four lessons of 1 mark questions. Let's start our class. The first question is mention one book of Alex Ingalls. What is sociology? The book name of Alex Ingalls. The next question is from which language the word logos is derived? The answer is Greek language, which means science or society. And state one book of G.S. Gurre, Caste and Race in India. State the definition of Emile Durkheim on sociology. The definition according to Emile Durkheim, sociology is the science of social institutions. The next question is mention any two causes for the emergence of sociology. Impact of the twin revolution, the French Revolution and Industrial Revolution. These are the two twin revolutions that become cause for the emergence of sociology, and the next cause is inspiration from the growth of natural and other social sciences emergence. And the next question is name any two works of Karl Marx. I mentioned here Karl Marx works, the German ideology, Das Kapital, the Holy Family. You write that whichever you remember Karl Marx work. The next question is mention any two agencies of socialization: school, family and mass media. The next question is mention any two stages of socialization, and the two stages of socialization is anal stage and oral stage, Oedipal stage. Mention anyone that you remember. State any two characteristics of culture. The answer is culture is learned, culture is social, culture is shared. What is non-material culture? Give an example. The answer is non-material culture includes abstracts, intangible, invisible elements like our beliefs, traditions, our habits, values, rituals. Give an example for primary institutions. Of course, I mentioned here religion. Who introduced the concept of primary group? The answer is C.H. Cooley. The next question is mention any two concepts introduced by M.N. Srinivas: Sanskritization, Westernization, dominant caste. Who classified groups into horizontal and vertical group? The answer is Sorokin classified groups into horizontal and vertical group. Mention any one function of any one features of agrarian society, means agricultural society. We can also call. The answer is livelihood gain through agriculture. Means in agrarian society we can find agriculture is the main occupation. Who said society is the group of groups? The answer is George Simmel. The next question is how is the term society derived? The answer is the term society derived from Latin word socius, which means companionship or friendship. Mention any two characteristics of association. The answer is specific interest, organized group, cooperative spirit are characteristics of association. The next question is mention any two characteristics of folkways. The answer is social in nature. Folkways are innumerable. The next question is mention any two characteristics of a secondary group. A secondary group is large in size, and secondary group and the next characteristic is the nature of membership. The next question is mention any one characteristics of computation. Computation is universal, computation is continuous. The next question is mention any one factor which favors assimilation. The answer is feature that favors assimilation or toleration and intimate social relationship. The next question is mention any two methods of accommodation, yielding and coin and compromise. Mention two types of culture, material culture and non-material culture. So these are the questions from chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3 to 4. Thanks for listening.